All right, today we're gonna bring some TOZO headphones, and these are perfect for the gifts, the holidays. Look at this. They have a see-through glass and they're beautiful made. Now these have noise cancellation. You have to download an app to control them if you want to control extra features. You can control the audio, the type of audio you want to get in here. Like I said, they're noise cancellation. They have different functions on it. We're going to test it out. We have a digital ear that's connected to an audio connection, so you guys can hear the quality of it. All right, I like to run a couple of tests on it just to make sure that you guys can hear what these sound like when you actually wear them. Now we have an artificial silicone ear here that we're going to test out, including with a microphone, because sometimes when you're reviewing these, you can't really tell the viewer how they sound. So we found a way how to do it. So let's go ahead and show you how they work. All right, before we start, I'm going to show you guys how they function. So when you put them on right now, they're trying to, if you guys can see, they're trying to actually locate a Bluetooth, but I don't have it connected yet. But I'm gonna take you step by step how to do that. So I'm just gonna show you how they look. You can hear a sound right now like they're trying to connect right now, but they fit very well. Now they do have different earlobes on that they make for it, so different sizes. These automatically fit my ears. I don't have to change anything. So let's put them to test. Let me show you the application. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and download the app. So the name of the application is called TOZO. That's where you have to download. So they're trying to sync up right now. If you guys can see, there it is. So they're right there, crystal pods, pairing. So we're gonna open the app, and now that we have them connected. So when you install the application and you set up your registry, it's gonna ask you to set up the TOZOs, all right? So there they are right there. We're gonna go ahead and connect them, and we're gonna access them to more features. The AI, if it's going to give you guidance here of what to do, it could automatically distinguish how to turn off or noise cancellation or high quality or high audio. So we're going to do that. It's giving you a step by step how to actually set this up and permissions to do so in recordings, muting, AI, chat, and so forth. So we're going to go ahead and test some of these features out. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to set this up here. All right, now this is not the right ear, so we're going to set up the right ear, which is this one right here. And I'm touching it, so it plays it. I'm hearing it right now, but I'm going to let you guys hear it. Turn off my mic and then let you guys hear it. All right, overall they have a lot of functions. I'm gonna stop the music right now, and like I said, you could answer phone calls, you could hit play, you could play the next music. Like right now I'm just saying change it to the next tone. This actually pauses and plays. So we're gonna get out of here right now on the application, but I just want you to see all the stuff, the options you have. Home, you got your audio levels, all right? How much level, how much battery you have. You could remember settings. This is translucent mode. Is actually, you could hear people talking in and out. Even it won't do the noise cancellation. All right. Reduce wind noise, leisure time, normal mode, and custom preferences. I'm going to put noise cancellation. I like to make sure that nothing's around me when I'm listening. But this gives you a visualization of how much power you have in your headphones. So overall, not only are they great headphones, but they have a great function with it too also. And I just let you know how they are, how they looked on the actual system, and how they sound. So very simple, easy to put together. I hope you guys enjoy the video.